guys, I got a Sonny Angel to unbox it. Okay, guys, so now let's open it. Okay, so it's supposed to be a hippo, so... Okay, well, that did not work. Wait, guys, one more time. Ah! Guys, I know I turned it off camera to get open, so... Yeah, but we're gonna open it from the bottom, I guess.
Okay.
It's purple croquet. Guys, I'm so scared. Also, guys, before I open it, I want the lap ear rabbit, which is that one. Wait, guys, I'm so scared. Okay, right. I'm so scared. Who is it?
Oh my God!
Stop! Stop!
Who is it? Look,
Guys, I got what I wanted. Look how cute she is.
Guys, she wanted first she guessed the cherry, now she guessed the bunny.
Yeah, guys, if you saw my last Sonny Angel unboxing, you know that I wanted the cherry and I got the cherry.
Oh my God.